Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best tattoo printer paper is probably one of the most innovative products I've come across recently. If you're into temporary tattoos or want to test out a design before committing to the real deal, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of tattoo printer paper, exploring its uses, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. Get ready to learn everything you need to know about creating your own temporary tattoos at home. Number 5. Water Slide Decal Paper Inkjet 20 Sheets A4. This premium water slide transfer paper is made with high-quality printing paper. It ensures true, non-fading, and high-definition colors. It has excellent ink capacity for up to 5,760 dpi. The paper inspires your creativity. You can use it on ceramics, glass, jade, metal, and plastics. It's perfect for mugs, cups, bottles, and more. Make special gifts for loved ones. Add your original ideas to them for birthdays, Valentine's Day, anniversaries, graduations, or Christmas. It's a great way to show your love. This water slide paper is designed for inkjet printers. It works best on clear or light-colored surfaces. Detailed instructions are available in videos and product descriptions. We are committed to providing high-quality products. If you have any issues, please contact us. We're here to help you. What we like. This water slide decal paper delivers vibrant, non-fading colors, perfect for detailed designs. It's ideal for personalizing mugs, glasses, and more. If you're looking to create unique, custom gifts, this is a great choice. What people say. The paper worked perfectly with my Epson EcoTank printer. The stencils came out clean and crisp. The paper transferred the design to the skin very well. Number 4. Phomemo M08F Wireless Tattoo Stencil Printer. This is the Phomemo M08F, a lightweight and wireless tattoo stencil printer. It's designed specifically for tattoo artists on the go, making the process more convenient and efficient. Weighing only 2 pounds, it's 63% the size of traditional machines. The built-in rechargeable battery frees you from cables, offering unparalleled ease of use. It works with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktops. The printer supports Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Chrome OS, making it easy to design and print from any device. The Phomemo app simplifies your workflow with one-click printing and a scanning function for tattoo designs. You can print your designs instantly without the need for white paper. The M08F uses advanced thermal technology for clear and precise patterns. You won't have to deal with ink-related issues, ensuring an efficient process for both professionals and beginners. Generate stunning tattoo designs in various styles with the Phomemo app's AI image generation. Regular users get 6 designs, and you can unlock unlimited creations with Pro Plus. The M08F has a 1200 mAh battery, allowing you to print up to 220 pages on a single charge. It also includes 10 sheets of tattoo transfer paper to get you started. What we like. This tattoo stencil printer is designed for tattoo artists on the go, offering a lightweight and wireless experience. It uses thermal technology for clear, inkless prints. If you're a professional artist or a beginner, this printer will streamline your workflow. What people say. The app is simple to navigate and we had no connection issues. A full charge lasted weeks with occasional use. The stencils came out beautifully. Even lighter, more finer lines showed up on the transfer. Amazing little printer, easy to use, simple, and great function. Perfect for travel or for my desk at home. I can't stress how easy it is to plug in, hook up to your phone, and get to printing. Number 3. Original Stationery Glitter Tattoo Kit, 33-piece set. Introducing the Original Stationery Glitter Tattoo Kit. This 33-piece set is perfect for sparking creativity. It offers a dazzling experience for kids, making playtime extra special. Inside, you'll find 24 stencils and 6 vibrant glitter colors. This set provides everything needed for kids' makeup and face glitter. It's designed to transform creative playtime. The kit includes 2 brushes and an adhesive pot. This ensures an engaging crafting experience. It's ideal for sleepover parties, encouraging artistic exploration. Cleanup is a breeze with soap and water or makeup remover. This face glitter for kids ensures a hassle-free experience. It's a great addition to kids' spa activities. Surprise young artists with this captivating present. It offers endless fun and creativity. This set is a delightful choice for kids' makeup enthusiasts. Featuring charming designs like princess crowns and butterflies. This set adds magic to any creative activity. It enhances imaginative play with glitter makeup. What we like. This glitter tattoo kit provides a complete set for creative fun, including stencils and vibrant glitter colors. It's designed for easy application and removal with soap and water. If you have kids who love arts and crafts, this kit is perfect for parties or creative play. What people say. The paper worked perfectly with my Epson EcoTank printer. The stencil paper worked great and transferred the image perfectly. The stencil paper is easy to use and the image transferred very well. Number 2. Phomemo M08F Wireless Portable Thermal Printer. Introducing the Phomemo M08F, a lightweight and wireless printer designed for travel. It's perfect for professionals and artists on the go. This compact device offers unparalleled convenience. Weighing only 2 pounds, this printer is only 60% of the size of traditional tattoo transfer machines. It features a built-in rechargeable battery, so you're not tied down by cables. It's easy to use. Experience crisp, dark, and sharp images with smooth printing effects. This printer delivers high-quality black and white results every time. It's compatible with 8.5x11 transfer tattoo paper. This printer uses thermal technology, eliminating the need for ink, toner, or ribbons. Forget about messy ink-related issues. Simply replace the tattoo transfer paper for low-cost printing. The Phomemo app allows for one-click printing of images and documents. Unlike traditional machines, you can print your designs instantly. For the best results, use Phomemo tattoo transfer paper, or connect to your PC laptop via USB. The Phomemo M08F requires specific thermal paper for optimal performance. However, regular tattoo transfer paper is sufficient for tattoo printing. What we like. This portable printer is not only a tattoo stencil printer but also a multifunction printer. It delivers crisp, dark images with thermal technology, eliminating the need for ink. If you need a versatile and easy-to-use printer for both tattoo stencils and general printing, this is a great option. What people say. It prints well, it's super user-friendly, and everything comes out as it would have a normal printer. Great quality prints for the right use cases. The app is simple to use and gives prompts to help you with connecting to your printer and printing. Number 1. Sunnyscopa Tattoo Paper for Inkjet, US Letter. This Inkjet water slide decal paper is favored by professionals worldwide. You can easily print your own tattoos with zero skin irritation by following the simple instructions. Made in South Korea, this product comes from a globally leading manufacturer since 1990. They take pride in their quality and provide products you can trust. They are always developing new products, including this tattoo transfer paper for a realistic and long-lasting solution. This high-quality paper has a natural-looking finish and great color precision. It allows you to try out tattoo designs affordably. Print your own designs and create outstanding tattoos at a fraction of the cost. The tattoo paper is waterproof and can last up to 2 weeks. It's easy to apply and remove with baby oil. It's completely skin-safe and complies with safety regulations. It's tear-resistant and smudge-proof. The manufacturer provides industry-leading quality and unbeatable pricing. It has great image quality and color precision. It's suitable for any DIY project and loved by DIY enthusiasts. No expensive printers are required, only regular printers or photo printers. What we like. This printable tattoo paper is favored by professionals, offering a realistic finish and great color precision. It's waterproof and can last up to 2 weeks. If you like to test your tattoo designs or create personalized gifts, you should consider this. What people say. Printing was so easy, just make sure you know which side your printer is printing on and flip, and the application of the sticky film was also pretty simple. Application of the tattoos is also very simple. I use an HP 5200 printer, and I had absolutely no compatibility issues. The colors printed beautifully and the paper fed through smoothly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.